Imagine a conductor masterfully guiding an orchestra to create a symphony. That's what DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, does in our bodies. It's our biological blueprint, the master guide that influences everything from the color of our eyes to our susceptibility to certain health conditions. DNA, composed of essential molecules, plays a vital role in our lives, dictating our uniqueness and our health. So DNA is not just a molecule, it's the symphony conductor of our bodies, coordinating every single function. There's a symphony inside you, and it's composed by DNA with the help of some very important players: nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. Nucleotides are the individual notes, forming the structure of DNA, with each one a unique piece of the genetic code. Oligopeptides and amino acids, on the other hand, are the musicians, playing a vital role in protein synthesis. These proteins are the instruments, supporting DNA's health and stability by repairing damage, replicating correctly, and performing countless other tasks. Without these essential molecules, the DNA would falter, causing the symphony to fall out of tune. These building blocks ensure that the DNA can conduct its symphony without missing a beat, keeping our bodies functioning optimally. As we age, our DNA and its supporting molecules become even more important in maintaining our health. Aging introduces a set of health challenges that can often be traced back to the function and health of our DNA. This intricate conductor of our bodily orchestra plays a vital role in keeping us healthy and vibrant. And just like any good conductor, it needs the right support to perform at its best. This is where a balanced diet and lifestyle come into play. They provide the essential building blocks, like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, that support our DNA's stability and health. By maintaining the health of our DNA, we can ensure it continues to function optimally, orchestrating our bodies to perform harmoniously. So remember, the vitality of your DNA is a testament to your health, especially as you age. Keep the symphony playing and your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful and want to keep updated on valuable content about DNA health and wellness, do us a favor and hit that like button. It helps us reach more people with this important information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you want to stay in the loop, make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Watch the next segment to take a peek of a remarkable product that houses the essential molecules to support DNA health and stability. Check the links in the description to learn more about it and how to avail it online.
Forever Healthy Products brings to you Immurogen. Immu represents immunity and Regen represents regeneration. A complex of dietary nucleotides containing peptides, oligopeptides, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins that support normal body functions and help boost our immune system. For our body to be healthy, we need to make sure our organs, like the heart, the brain, the kidneys, and every other organ in our body, are healthy. Our organs are made of tissue, and our tissue is made up of countless cells. This is where most of the industry is currently focused on, the cellular level. We at Forever Healthy Products go even deeper and are revolutionizing how we shape our lives by going deeper to the DNA level. DNA is essentially the blueprint of life. DNA is composed of a chain of nucleotides: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine to maintain homeostasis, or normal body functions. By ensuring we have healthy DNA, we ensure healthy cells that make healthy tissue, which become healthy organs, and finally ensuring a healthy body, affording us a fulfilled and happy life. Immurogen supports the body's structure and functions by providing the nutrients needed for a healthy body. This science-based product is supported by research conducted by the winners of the 2015 Nobel Prize in Chemistry, who studied the body's natural DNA repair mechanisms, including the mechanism now known as nucleotide excision repair. It has been researched by scientists and doctors for more than 60 years, and the product was patented in Europe since 1983. Forever Healthy Products has the exclusive rights to offer one-of-a-kind nucleotide food supplements worldwide. The product has been researched and studied for decades and proven safe for the young, elderly, and even the sportsman or athlete. This is just the tip of the iceberg on how this incredible product can give you an incredible life.